I now have tools to conquer, because such things, they ending up destroying relationships because of the past experience. Now we have trust issues, but I really thank God that now I know what to do. Now I know how to overcome those things. I know how to be a better person. I'm really grateful to God. This program, it's really so helpful, uplifting and empowering. It's a great food for thoughts, and also it's a great thing to apply on your life. Able to identify the areas where you feel like, okay, I think I was hitting here, hence it triggers a lot of things, to be able to be smart enough not to the defender when you are being triggered. But now being able to okay, this thing was a trigger, and then I can deal with it like this. Just because it's a trick, it doesn't mean that it's really that. Low red flag or whatsoever. But it's just a trigger based on my past experiences. I am really, really grateful that I had this seminar. Yeah, siyabonga.